Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 13. What is electrical current? A. Rate of change of voltage. B. Rate of change of resistance. C. Rate of flow of charge. And D. Rate of flow of power. Now, electric current I. Electric current I is defined as the rate of flow of electric charge along a conductor. It simply means the rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor is known as electric current. So that is, electric current I is equals to Q, which is the charge, all over T, rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor. Now, electric current is measured. It is measured in amperes. It is measured in amperes, using the instrument called ammeter. So, electric current is measured using ammeter, but very tiny electric current can be measured using a galvanometer. But the standard instrument for measuring electric current is an ammeter, and is measured in amperes. So electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electric charge, and that is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.